Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Avalanche coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You have the tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection and turn light indicator mirrors. We do have a nice hood deflector, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks. We have a block heater in there, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got 2 cup holders right there, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats in the same black sport cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space, parking brake, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 48.9 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your menu, phone and media, voice and volume, cruise control right there. And for your main screen, you do, in my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continuing our look over here, we do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible. You got a fair bit more storage, cup holders, storage right there, USB and USB-C, leather-wrapped center console with a fair bit of storage down there as well. You have your drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated seats, dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there as well as right there, plus storage above. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your favorite apps, any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, Sirius XM, sound, and so on and so forth. Your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA95201, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.